You're already managing your opportunities, quotes, and invoices on the state-of-the-art Salesforce platform that gives you powerful tools to grow your business. Until you need to calculate sales tax. Now you need to manage city, district, and state taxes and filing dates. Who has time for that? You need Ksquare Sales Tax. Download it from the App Exchange. Email support to get your token and add buttons to the objects you want to configure. Tell us which states you want to automate. Then our app calculates taxes for over 10,000 jurisdictions in all 50 states and 30 countries. No more time is wasted manually filing your returns. No more tracking compliance due dates. No more aggregating from multiple systems or struggling to comply with sales taxes. Ksquare Sales Tax is available nationwide, and if a state has sales tax, we can AutoFile for you there. Stop spending time on sales tax without achieving compliance. Get back to growing your business and outsource your sales taxes to us. Ksquare Sales Tax.